So this is the supplier that we found over on AliExpress. They can customize it. They have a blank one. They have the exact phrase that we've got here. And it's $1.74 a unit. And if we e-packet it, it's $2.09. So we're at what, $3.85 or so. And they've got bulk pricing, which means if we really contact them and tell them that we're going to sell hundreds of them, and we already got the orders for them, I bet you anything that we get this for way less than $1. And then the shipping is going to be that same thing. So I bet this realistically is like $3 or actually just a shy under $3 out the door. I'd have to talk to my team to see what they did when they were chatting with them. But this is a very cheap product to make, and if we're not customizing it, it's even cheaper. So let's just say it's this one says 558 out of the door. Let's just say for math 4. I know we're going to get it under 3. Okay, so we have a decent profit margin here. If we're charging $19.95 plus $4.95 shipping and handling, we basically have $21. It's $20.90. But for easy math, let's just say $21 in margin that we can pay for CPA. Now, we would probably want to pay less than that to make sure it's profitable, but that's a profitable CPA that we can pay right now, basically. Now, this product, who are we going to sell this to? We're going to sell this to a woman, most likely a mother, maybe a wife. Drive safe, I need you here with me. This could be something for a Father's Day gift, I think is how we found this on Etsy. So it could be a great gift from a wife to her husband, or even vice versa, the other way around, I think it as well. So let me show you into the ads manager so you can see how we sold this. But if we're doing anywhere from 19 to 21 bucks, we're going to have profit, okay? So just remember that. I'm gonna go in here, click this, June 10th through June 15th. As I make this video, it's June 16th, but this is pretty normal for us. We do get consistent new winners because we follow a production flow that we teach in Dropship on Demand. So we always got to be testing new things. So let me show you in here, $7.51 per purchase, 13 of them, $8.85, $11.17, average over 265 purchases. And this seriously underreports because I don't know if we said anything wrong up in the campaign, but anything where they're buying 2 or 3, which is quite common with this campaign because they're buying like 2 or 3 for their kids, and they're giving the keychains to all of them, is only reporting as 1 purchase. So we actually have, at the recording of this video, we have over 400 purchases. We have one more day of some ads as well, but this is basically a lot more profitable than it even looks here as well. So $16.91, we're making what, $4, $3 to $4, and again we're going to have some severe underreporting. So I'm betting that is more like $6. Now I could get a calculator and really start doing all the math, but maybe we're looking at $6 or $7, and we drive the price down to this even a little bit more. I think we can comfortably say just a little over $7 is what we will actually make on this product. Just now, I'm going to be selling this for days and days and days, and weeks and weeks and weeks, unless somebody scales it faster than me. But this is just one version. We can do design throughput, all kinds of other different things. We can sell this in other languages. But let me show you just how simple these ads are so you can understand. So this is a married version. This is a parents version. I'll just show you the parents version. Edit. And we have naming conventions for our ads, but it says US, women, 25 to 44 that are parents. Budget is 50. We've got a very large audience here, so we know we can vertically scale this product up quite aggressively. We need to optimize the price, figure out if free shipping is better, yada, yada, yada. But 5.5 million people, so it's quite large. No custom audiences. People who live in the US, 25 to 44. Women, as you can probably tell from the naming of the ad. And this parents group is parents with adult children and parents with teenagers. If I had to guess, the parents with teenagers one is the one that's doing the best because it's probably when their kids are just now starting to drive. For example, my sister, her kid, my nephew, has just got his license and he's in that age range. And I think this would be a perfect gift for her to give him. So that's why this is working. As you see, there's nothing else in here. Nothing confusing, nothing hard. It's literally simple. It's not what dog breed of or brand of food we have to target to find the perfect buyer and intersect this, this, and that. It's actually quite simple. It's women 25 and up. Well, 25 to 44 is what works best for us right now. And then it's parents with teenagers, parents with adult children. Could we do things different? Yes. Do we need to? No. It's very simple. So that's just a simple ad. Now we've got lookalike audience ads, Australia ads, all kinds of different things. I'm not going to go through each and every single piece of this because that's what the course is for. but I want to show you just some ads so you can understand that this stuff is simple, this is easy, and it's profitable, and we're going to make several thousands of dollars very, very easily with this campaign, and we don't even have to customize it. So we're optimizing for purchases here. I would say this angle, this version is people that are buying it, that are women, gift for their husband. And the beautiful thing is this potential reach is 33 million. So if we can get it going well and vertically scale up hard with a lot of budget, we know we can get tons and tons and tons and tons of sales. So this is a huge audience, and it can't get any simpler. 25 to 65. I think we named this one a little bit wrong. 25 to 65 though. Married. Huge. 33 million people. 33 million people getting, 10, 20,000 purchases out of that. It's a small amount. It's a lot of purchases, but in terms of the amount of people that this stuff applies to, it's very tiny. It's very tiny in comparison. So that's the ads. That's what we're doing. Now we've obviously got much more advanced strategies on how we get these ads here, how we're building out the lookalike audiences, and pretty much all of those different things. I could go into it for days and days and days, but that's what Dropship on Demand is for. This key ring, for example, has probably already made us $2,500 net, and it's going to make us thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars more. And I gave you this campaign in pre-launch. I showed it to the entire seller list of Gear Bubble, gave it as the most public thing I could possibly do, encouraged people to download it and try it. And we waited till after that happened, and we still made thousands and thousands of dollars from the same campaigns that we give you. So hopefully that opens your eyes and proves just how well this works. I did simple ads. I did the things that we teach you. We found the new product. A lot of it is understanding the system, understanding how to research these products, find them consistently, how to run these ads methodically. Like, that's the entire course. But if you would take action on the content, give this a shot, and run these simple ads, there's a very good shot that you could have made those thousands of dollars in profit in the last several days, just like we did, because this isn't huge, insane budgets. You could start with these same amounts, and you can run these same ads, and they're very simple and easy to do. So here's what the ad itself looks like. It says, drive safe. I need you here with me. This lovely reminder is a great gift for your son, daughter, or husband. So we're writing that out. It's for those audiences. We go down and look at it. It's got quite the amount of engagement. People are tagging with a bunch of love buttons. So this looks like a very clear winner that we can scale up to a lot. Since I'm doing a case study, most likely someone's going to rip it off. But I want someone to take action. I want someone to get sales. So real quick, I know this might be weird, but I'm going to hit you with a quick pattern interrupt. When I started making this video, the video that you're watching right now, that keychain was doing very, very well for us. It was, I think 6 to 7 weeks before this pattern interruption right here. So that was in, this was now, and I want to show you the results. Now you've seen that first keychain. It blew well over 1,000 units sold. It did very well for us. Okay, so you've already seen it. You've already seen the ads. You've already seen it. So I don't want to go into it too much more. Now I did launch a ton of other campaigns, and I launched these. You saw when this one launched. I launched all these other ones after it as well. After we sent this video out, the case study to hundreds of thousands of people. Okay, and I still launched these afterwards and got tons of sales. So campaign 1, you just saw it. And campaign 2 is to my husband, wherever you go, come back to me. You see it on the right, that got 223 units sold. Campaign 3, I may not be your first date, your first kiss, or your first love. I just want to be your last everything. 225 units. Campaign 4, wherever you go, come back to me. We have to my husband version, to my boyfriend version, to my girlfriend versions, to my fiance versions. We have them in English, German, all kinds of everything imaginable. And that's just 4 campaigns, 1 style of keychain. Okay? Now, that's my results. What's more important than my results is the student results. And they all came after this video came out in our internal open. So all these are within the last 60 days. Actually, technically, they all are less than 60 days old. Some of them are probably less than 30 days old. So here's just some that people have reported back to me. There's a lot more than this, but here's the ones that people have reported, and they've okayed me to tell you about their stats. So phrase 1 that was on a keychain, launched the last 60 days. Sales revenue, $152,956.65. What in students' results? Units sold, 7,667. Obviously, they're not going to let me show you the phrase or how they did it. Keychain 2, $92,090.20. Units sold, 4,624. Keychain 3, $89,788.96. 4,517 units sold. Keychain 4, you can see the numbers there, over $40,000 sold. 2,000 plus units. Keychain 5, 818 plus units. Keychain 6, about 15,000, and I have tons of other results from people that are in that 5-figure range. It drops from the 40K down to 15, 16, and there's tons of people that have done that. And that's just with the keychains. It doesn't go for watches, necklaces, bracelets, and pretty much anything else that we've shown just in the free pre-launch content. All this stuff came from what happened in the PDF I gave out in pre-launch content piece 1. Every single one of these campaigns has been shown to the world. This style of campaign, less than 45 to 60 days ago, hundreds of thousands of dollars in customer results from it. This stuff works. So I just wanted to get you with a little bit of a pattern interrupt so you could see then as it was live in the video, and you could see about 4 to 6 weeks later what it looks like for myself and for students, and this is growing massively every single day. So I'll let you go back to the video you were watching and resume it. Thank you. Because we get consistent winners all the time. Drive safely. We're going to probably launch another variation of it, but this is it. We're going to vertically scale it up, then we're going to horizontally scale it out. We're going to put all kinds of different actual phrases on it, probably do this phrase in a couple different languages. We're already selling it right now in Australia, UK, Canada, and a lot of places that are predominantly English speaking, but there's a big giant world out there. We've got audiences of 33 million people in them, converting at very low cost per purchases that can be very profitable. So that's it for today's video. If you like this type of stuff goes in our daily journaling over and over and over. You see campaign after campaign after campaign in the Dropship On Demand course. And if you want to get campaigns like this for yourself, follow the step-by-step system that we've laid out. So that's it for today's video.